What's up, my people? It's your boy Super aka at the verse. If I the verse, I the talk anyhow. This morning I can't talk anyhow more. And what it carry me come out now? This news when they spread for everywhere. All the comedians don't talk their own. And so me, I must see come out. I can't talk my own because you know if you pass full village, you know see pregnant woman. That is why me I they represent as a Europe comedian. Inside there, now it's a land for come. If you like, if you not like. Go and sit down. Let me tell you, this woman now when bustalize for everywhere now when they spread now. They say nobody they celebrate her. Mama, I can't celebrate her. Ngozi Okojo Inwehala. See woman. Then they say you now you be the WTO where they represent Nigeria for the world now. Mama, let me shock you. I no surprise. I no surprise, oh. I no surprise say you day where you day today. And because some people they say what a man can do, a woman can do it better. Let me shock you, mama. I no surprise at all because you don't tell where I know say women. Now they get time, wisdom. And let me shock some men. Because I believe say this is the opportunity for me to talk to some men when not always they believe women. Let me shock you. Even Bible they say women, they are the key to success. Women, they are the key to success. And when you get your woman, that's why Bible tell you, say, whosoever that find a wife, find a good thing or they favor from him. Let me tell you, until you believe, say, woman is the key to success, now that time you will favor, and that favor will locate you. That's the reason why you say some men, they fail today because they refuse to attach themselves with woman. If you are a 25 years old, and you are a boy, do you know what your name stands for? Boy, borrow pose. That's why you see some boy, they always borrow. And if you are a 25, you are a 45 years or 40 years, you know what they call you? You see that they call you man, or they call you father. And if you are a man, do you know what man stands for? Manager. That's why you see some men, they always manage. Manager. They always do manager. They always manage. Now, if you are a father and you know fulfill things when God say me you can't fulfill, you marry, you pursue them, or you not ready for life, you can't misbehave. Do you know what they call you? Instead of me they call you father, they will call you failure because the name when they follow men, failure, man, manager, boy, borrow pose. If you want to escape all those things, you need to attach yourself to women like this. Because let me tell you what women stand for. If woman they 25 years, they call her girl, get ready. If you can't date 40 to 45 years, you know what they call her? It's that they call her woman or they call her wife. Now they say spelling, now they say to start them WW, W start wife, W start woman. You know what W stand for? Wisdom, wiseness, wickedness. Now when you show women love, they will give you the wisdom. That's why you see some men when fail. If they see women like this, the woman will attach your name, that name, W, you can't attach and join your husband. Oh, that wisdom will call join that failure. The man will call the succeed in life. See, for you to succeed in life, you need woman to succeed. Believe it or you leave it. Even you see, if you see man when make when get money, when be big man, and if you don't get wife or life, no say that man a ritualist. And for you to succeed in ritualists, you need to still use woman or girl do ritual before you make her. For you to say women, they always stand for any success way. For you to be success in life, woman must be evolved. You cannot do it without woman. That's why you see some people when they do ritual and women that they use girls. You don't ever see they use boy do ritual or they use man do ritual. Woman or girl. Because now women, they are the key to success. What you need is to respect woman, appreciate women. When you marry, respect woman, show her love. Even if you want to fall in life, that woman will attach that W to your failure. You will become a successful in life. But if you want to succeed in life, come Europe now. A lot of men when they this Europe, when me and you did. Now women make them succeed. Go check majority of men when get documents. Now women make some of them get documents. People when women give document, they many pass who get your document by himself. Go check her. If you see big man, the reason why you see some big men for Nigeria, they get money, but they get one wife. the wife give them only two daughters. He deliver two girl. Now two girl the big man go get. You will call it surprise. Where this man, as he get money rich, he not marry another woman. Maybe for born another boy for them. Because you know go fit try her. You know why? Because that woman when he born two girl, now that woman, now it be the key of that man's success. Because you know if he betray the woman, if he betray the woman, his business don't fall. For you to know say some big men when you see say they born girl, they not gree born boy join. They don't gree marry another woman make born boy because they know why. Because the woman when they marry, now it be the key of that that success when they see, of that wealth when you see. Now the woman, if you marry join a problem don't set. See, let me tell you, or to you appreciate women, you know what women is. That time now you go make it in life. Not just the direct women. Women, they are very special. They are the key to success. You understand? They have the wisdom. Attach with them. Always attach with women. When you attach with women, life no go they had you. See, mama, I congratulate you. God bless you for put smile on our face. Because at the always tell people say, waiting man do men. Go Europe now, especially Germany. Now they'll tell you say now woman now they rule, but women now they enjoy the country because now woman they rule. But come Nigeria now man they rule, but now men they suffer pass. You know see, I'm waiting man do man. My guy, see, let me tell you, even God when create man, he can later bring woman. He get why. When they see women, when they see them finish, when they regard them, when they say woman, not just do anything. See, let me shock you now for you to know, say women or girl, they are the key to all the beautiful things in this life. Let me make example for you. Let me shock you. If boy start to do boy, you know the bath, you know the bath. You know they maintain, but when that boy don't start to get girlfriend, he don't start to the bath, they clean himself. Why? Because he knows he don't get girlfriend. If you did dirty for your village before, if any girl don't travel come to your village, don't stay near your house, you don't the bath because you want me that girl they see say you didn't need. Meaning because of that girl, that is why you they clean yourself now because they are cleanliness for the world. Meaning if woman not did this life, men for too dirty. Believe me when you leave it to. If woman not they exist for this life. We men, we for the dirty. This is why we they need, we they wear marker, we they wear different fine things for women to love us, to like us. Because they're not already clean, they're not already neat. You need to neat yourself before woman feel grief for you. For you to know, say women, now they hold the key. Anything when they beautiful, anything for you to success, to they okay for life, you need woman.